So welcome students. So in this question, you're asked to find the domain of this function. Sine inverse of log x by 3 to the base 3. To find the domain, we start from the outermost function. So sine inverse of something. So if sine inverse had to be defined, so this log x by 3 to the base 3 should be in between minus 1 and plus 1, right? So sine inverse will be defined only if this expression is in between minus 1 and plus 1. Now for this expression to be in between minus 1 and plus 1, so what should we take care about x by 3? So if this minus 1 less than or equal to log x by 3 to the base 3 less than or equal to 1, this implies x by 3 should be in between 3 power minus 1 to 3 power plus 1, right? 3 power minus 1 to 3 power plus 1. So this implies 1 by 3 less than or equal to x by 3 less than or equal to 3. Now what I do is I'll multiply everything with 3. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. That means for this function to be defined, x should be in between 1 and 3. If x is in between 1 and 3, x by 3 will be in between 1 by 3 and 3. Hence, x by 3, log x by 3 to the base 3 will lie between minus 1 and plus 1. Hence, this will be defined. And the domain is nothing but 1, 9. 1 and 9. Closed 1 and 9. Thank you.